moment, I will lead us through a reconciliation meditation. This practice explores making amends for the times we've hurt ourselves, others, or those who have hurt us. Before we begin, find a comfortable position. Perhaps that's sitting on the floor, sitting in a chair, or lying on the ground. Once you find a place that is accessible and comfortable for you right now, then allow your mind to kind of arrive in the space in which your body exists. To pause, to check in with yourself, to acknowledge whatever you're feeling physically, mentally, emotionally. And perhaps this is the first time today that you're stopping to check in with yourself to get a sense of how you're truly doing. As you feel into your body and mind, just allow whatever there is to be as it is. There is no need to fix or solve anything. Just acknowledge whatever is in your direct experience. And if it helps and if that is available to you, go ahead and close your eyes so that you can tune in. And then gradually become mindful of your breath. As you breathe in, acknowledging that you're breathing in. And as you breathe out, acknowledging that you are breathing out. Just taking each moment one inhalation and one exhalation at a time. Now gently shift from your breath to feeling into your heart. Try to hold it with great care and tenderness, opening to yourself with self-compassion. Allow this to be a time to make peace with yourself and to end the war of self-loathing. To feel how, just like all beings, you are perfectly imperfect just as you are. And can you open to the hindsight wisdom that can help you to understand how all of your past, with all of its joys and sorrows, has led you to this very moment. It has all been a part of what brought you here now. Open yourself to that deep reconciliation with your past, knowing that any of your wounds, lack of awareness, contributed to your sense of unworthiness, inadequacy, and perhaps whatever else closed your heart to yourself. Perhaps you even place your hands on your heart. May you let this be a time to open your heart to deep self-compassion and love for yourself. Gently say to yourself, may I be at ease and at peace. May I open to deep compassion for myself just as I am. Rest in this reconciliation with yourself for a few minutes. Now begin to expand this sense of reconciliation to those you've hurt, whether through words, actions, or thoughts. Open your heart and within yourself, make amends to those you've wounded in some way. Use your hindsight wisdom to reflect on how your actions were fueled by fear, anxiety, lack of awareness, or the need to protect yourself. Feel your heart. Feel it becoming lighter and more at ease with the pain you've caused others as you understand where you were then and the pain you are experiencing within your own heart. Extending reconciliation to those you've hurt. Rest in the sense of reconciliation with those you've hurt for a few minutes. And now begin to open to reconciliation towards those who have hurt you. And this may be difficult at first, but know that this practice will help to release your heart from anxiety and foster deep healing and peace. It's a pathway to increasing your own well-being and ease as you free yourself from the burden of living with resentment, grudges, and ill will. So feel into your heart and open to reconciliation towards those who have hurt you. Reflect on, just as your own fear and lack of awareness allowed you to hurt others, this may also be true for those who have hurt you. And the source of their hurtful actions is their own pain, their own wounds. Rest in this sense of reconciliation with those who have hurt you for a few minutes. Keep in mind that this practice of reconciliation truly begins with yourself. Finding compassion and understanding and acknowledging that whatever may have been said or thought or through action, whether imposed on you, you have imposed on others, or you have imposed on yourself, all begins from a place of pain, of hurt, of fear. And so if you can have that compassion for yourself, then it's so much easier to practice that compassion towards others. Take a deep breath in through the nose and a big sigh out of your mouth. Take as much time as you need, but as you're ready, you can open your eyes, perhaps sitting or lying down, just being aware of the space around you for a couple moments. And in your time, when you feel ready to move on with the rest of your day, make that decision